Alright guys, so now we're going to start getting rolling with the system. We're going to make this system yours through Power Lead System. Like I said, Power Lead System is the easiest, most duplicatable way for you to take a system and make it yours through a share code. You just input a share code, what I'm about to show you, and this system is yours. And I'm going to walk you through that in this step and one's coming up. Okay, so what you want to do, all right, you need to be logged into Power Lead System. If you're not logged into Power Lead System, do that, and you want to click this Get Started button. You're going to be on this screen right here. Now I'm in this dummy account again, just to kind of walk you through how this is going to work. Once you're in Power Lead System, okay, what you want to do, all I want you to do is go to Account and click this My Sharing Codes right here. Click My Sharing Codes, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do. When you click that, you're going to be on a page that's exactly like this right here. Now I got a lot of stuff blurred out because I don't want to confuse anybody. The only thing that you really need to be paying attention to is this right here. Get content under this code. What I want you to do in this box right here, guys, is just put in this code right here. Let me pull it up again. I had it saved and actually have it, let me just paste it in here. Okay, I'm going to leave this open, or leave the screen on just a second so you can see what this is. Okay, it's 402-715-EASYAUTO, right? Dash Easy Auto. 402-715-Easy Auto. Right? That's all you got to do. Now look at the screen, make sure you've got it. You got it right. Okay, you got it in there. Right, write it down. If you got to write it down on a whatever, write it down. And once you have it in there exactly, you're going to click Submit. It's going to take you to a screen that says Valid Code, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do next, because you're going to have this entire system within your Power Lead System to set up and use. Alright guys, so I'm in my regular Power Lead System account right now. I'm kind of going to show you more of kind of what this sort of looks like. Okay, you see I've got a lot of web pages here. Now make sure that you're in Web Pages, My Web Pages, after you put in that share code. Alright, now what you want to do, okay, make sure you're in My Web Pages right here. Okay, alright, now what you want to do is you want to scroll down a little bit to right here. Now what you'll see is you'll see something like this: Copy of Easy Autopilot Income System, down right here in here. Now I've got this blurred out because I'm within my own account, so it'd be very confusing to show that. But what you'll find this right here, something very similar to this, down here under Shared Web Pages, because you just input the share code. Okay, makes sense? Find that, and what you want to do is you want to click Copy. Okay, you'll want to click Copy, and once you click Copy, I'm going to show you what to do after you click Copy. Alright guys, after you click Copy, you're going to see a screen almost exactly like this. Now you may see this may look a little bit different, but it's going to be Copy of Easy Autopilot Income System, or Easy System, something of that nature. Okay, what we're doing right here, okay, now there's just some very easy steps, but just make sure, okay, you're doing exactly how I show you. Now step 2 right here. Alright, what you're going to do is you're going to click. Now this is something different than what's going to be shown in your Power Lead System. Please be aware of that. But you want to make sure that this button is clicked right here. Now, do you remember in the last step where we bought our domain, or what our website name was going to be? If you did that, if you did what I told you to do, and you bought a domain, it's going to show up in this drop down box right here. See, I got a lot of stuff that I'm doing online, a lot of stuff that I've tested, and pages that I've built. But you will see the domain name that you bought in the last step. You will see it under here, and you just click it. Whatever it was, you just click that, right? Okay, make sure it's correct. Okay, Alright, now step 3, don't worry about that whatsoever. We're not using a survey or opt-in box, anything like that whatsoever. Okay, got that. And don't worry about step 4. It's just a one-page system. Don't worry about that whatsoever. The only thing that you need to do, whatsoever, is just make sure that this right here, step 2, this is clicked right here, and this where it says choose a domain you already have is the domain that you bought in the last step. So whether you bought work with Nancy or work with Jim, whatever you bought, you just want to make sure that that is selected for this right here. All you got to do right here. That's all you got to do, guys. All you got to do. Don't worry about step 3. Don't worry about step 4. None of that whatsoever. Then all you got to do right here is just click Save Changes to Web Page, and guess what? The system is now yours. That's it. Just make sure this right here, this box right here is a domain that you bought in the last step, and do this, boom, Save Changes Web Page, and boom, you are done. The system is yours.